YouTube channel Infinity Gritty. In our today's video, we are going to talk about insertion sort algorithm. Before we actually get started with the actual key points definitions of this insertion sort, I would like to show you how we can quickly sort an array using insertion sort. So in case you have a time crunches, you can use this method. But again, here we cannot see what actually happens in the algorithm that we are going to see in our coming videos. But this video is a reference for you, or it's a hack for you. If any questions related to insertion sort comes, you can solve in a minute. So let's consider an array which we need to solve. For example, I need to solve one array 72, 68, 12, 49, 96, and 31. This is my array and I need to sort this array. Now first thing you should remember this, if n elements are there, I will be having n minus 1 iteration. It is same as what we have seen in the selection sort also. So how many elements I had? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So how many iterations? We'll have 5 iterations. So I'll write those iterations 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now how we can quickly write those sequences in these 5 iterations is you start from the second element and create a slider. You start from the second element and create a slider, and you sort those two items which are left side to the slider. So if you sort these two, what you will get 68, 72, right? And others remains same. Now you try shifting this slider and sort all the elements which are lying at the left. Then put this here, then put this here, put this here, right? So if you now, so it was on second element, now you put it here to the third element. So if you sort these three, don't you think 12 will come here, 68 will come here, 72 will come here, and all will remain same. Now quickly slide it. So if you slide this slider again, one element, now sort this. If you sort this, don't you think 12 will come here, 49 will come here, 68, 9, 72, 96, and 31. Now slide one more. So if you slide this and sort this now, you will get 12, you will get 49, you will get 68, you will get 72, you will get 96, you will get 31. Then again slide one more time. So if you slide it, you again write it 12, 31, 49, 68, 72, 96. So this is what you have got it a sorted array. So if you see, if you had how many elements? 5 elements, you have, sorry, if you have 6 elements, you have got 5 iterations. You have got 5 iterations. So it is the quickest way to sort array using insertion sort. Now what actually happens? It happens in the same way, but it compares. This number will be compared with this. Here, this number will be compared with this number will be compared to this. If it is true, if 12 is less than 72, then it is going to compare with 68 also. So that we are going to see in our next video how actually the insertion sort algorithm works. So in this video, I just wanted to show you, if you have time crunch or if you have a question of just 2 or 3 marks, don't write the comparison on all other things. You just quickly use this method, slider method I called it. You slide and sort it. You slide it to the right and sort it in the left. If you see, you're sorting in the left, right? You're sorting in the left and sliding it to right, right? So let's get started with the actual algorithm and actual comparison. Even I can tell you here, if you want to get the actual number of comparison. So these are the actual number of comparison. But remember that this is not always true, because in case if array is already sorted, in that we just do one comparison. So that we are going to see once we get started with this insertion sort. So please be careful here. It's not like selection sort. Always you're going to get this, because there you do a swap until and unless you do a swap until you iterate through the whole list. So there is a difference here in the selection sort and the insertion sort. So let's get started with the actual introduction, actual key points, actual definition of the insertion sort in our next video. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.